Hi, I'm Cami, creator of TIDBITS Planners and the DIY and interior design blogger at tidbits-cami.com. I would like to tell you all about the TIDBITS Day Planner and the TIDBITS Notebook, both which are the first to launch in my lovely line of upcoming planners designed for beautiful simplicity and maximum productivity. My vision is to create a collection of classic, gender-neutral tools to help anyone organize and plan every aspect of their life. It's a product made for you and for your home. Now, if you are like me, you've been on the search for the perfect day planner, one that not only helps you avoid overwhelm and make sense of your busy life simply, but also looks beautiful and timeless on your shelf or desk. You want it to lay flat without that bulky, obnoxious coil binding, which does not look lovely on a shelf. You want durable tabs to quickly flip from month to month. You want a bookmark to keep your place. You would love a handy envelope in the back. And most importantly, you want functionality that allows for you to customize your unique life with plenty of room to do so. One planner that can encompass all you need for work, for home, for family, for personal goals, or whatever you see fit. You don't need all the fluff and stuff, you just want simple and smart. Oh, and classic and affordable. My friend, I have fought so hard for these features. So hard, in fact, that the TIDBITS Day Planner is coming at you a little later than I hoped, but I was unwilling to settle and I scoured the earth for the talent and resources to help me bring this vision to life and into your hands just in time for January of 2020. You will still have plenty of days, weeks, and months to enjoy my products. Each planner and notebook has a smooth, matte, and durable cover with black foil stamping on the front, back, and spine. They are available in 3 colors. TIDBITS Blue, which is a lovely soft blue-gray, my favorite color, oatmeal, and white. The notebook and all other future planners look just like the day planner, except for instead of day planner, it will say notebook, and it is filled with lined paper and limitless possibilities. I encourage you to stick around, keep scrolling down through tidbitsplanners.com and check out my videos showing you the layout of the interior pages and how I use this smart format to make the most of my days. This is a planner that includes yearly, monthly, weekly, and daily functionality all in one. It is my very own carefully thought out format that is key to helping me keep laser focus on my tasks, reduce stress, and prioritize my time for work, family, fun, and my personal goals. It is a day planner that is simple, clear, and easily customizable for your needs, without any additional add-ons, clutter. If you can't wait to try out the pages, I have some free, undated printable pages that you can grab on tidbitsplanners.com, which can help you decide if this is the right planner format for you. And if you love the idea of a digital planner, or even if you think you don't, please check out my digital day planner and notebook. They are so handy by themselves and make the perfect companions to the physical planners. You'll have the exact layout of your favorite planner while on the go and can easily transfer your lists and obligations between the two. Now, I've got videos and instructions on the digital products to help you decide if this is something that would benefit your life as well. Now, you'll want to keep in touch because I am not done yet. I'll be busy all next year expanding this beautiful line of planners so that you'll have designated books for all your planning needs, such as the TIDBITS Menu Planner, the TIDBITS Project Planner, the TIDBITS Holiday Planner, the Financial Planner, the TIDBITS Journal, and so on. I'll also be launching an academic year day planner suited best for students and teachers. If you haven't caught on, I am pretty passionate about planning and hope you are too. You can expect all the same 3 colors for each new planner that launches, as well as a unique, thoughtfully designed coordinating color for each new release. You can then plan to buy all the same colors or the newly released color to end up with a rainbow of colors for your shelf. For example, the menu planner might be available in a green gray to coordinate with the blue gray in the day planner. Catch my vision? I invite you to sign up below for updates on products and promotions, and please email me your thoughts and requests through the contact form on my site. Now is the perfect time to tell me exactly what your dream planner looks like and what planner features would really help you to organize your life. Now, thank you for watching. Now go think it, dream it, plan it, and do it.